Power of accommodation. The ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called accommodation. The eye lens is composed of a fibrous jelly-like material. Its curvature can be modified to some extent by the ciliary muscles. The change in the curvature of the eye lens can change its focal length. When the muscles are relaxed, the lens becomes thin, and the focal length increases. This enables us to see distant objects clearly. When we are looking at objects closer to the eye, the ciliary muscles contract and increases the curvature of the eye lens and makes it thicker. Consequently, the focal length of the eye lens decreases and helps us to see nearby objects clearly. How do acids and bases react with metals? The metal in the given reactions displaces hydrogen from the acids. This is seen as hydrogen gas. The metal combines with the remaining part of the acid and forms a compound called a salt. Thus, the reaction of a metal with an acid can be summarized as acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Metals are good conductors of heat. Take an aluminum rod. Clamp this rod on a stand. Fix a pin to the free end of the rod using wax. Heat the rod with a burner near the place where it is clamped. We can see the heat conducted through the rod, melts the wax and the pin is dropped from the rod. Nutrition in human beings. The food is mixed thoroughly with saliva and moved around the mouth while chewing by the muscular tongue. The saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase that breaks down starch. From the mouth, the food is taken to the stomach through the food pipe called esophagus. The muscular walls of the stomach help in mixing the food thoroughly with more digestive juices. The gastric glands present in the wall of the stomach release hydrochloric acid, a protein digesting enzyme called pepsin, and mucus. Introduction. The area refers to the two-dimensional size of a defined part of a surface, or a region bounded by a closed curve. The volume of any solid refers to the three-dimensional space it occupies. Common nouns. Common nouns are words used for any general person, place or thing in the world. Example: cat, dog, chair, table. Common nouns start with a lowercase letter. Never use a capital letter for a common noun unless it starts a sentence. Diary entry format.